How do I loop through or enumerate a JavaScript object? I have a JavaScript object like the following. var a equals a1, value 1, a2, value 2, a3, value 3. Now I want to loop through all a elements, a1, a2, a3, and get their keys and values. How can I do that? I can modify the JavaScript object if necessary. My ultimate goal is to loop through some key value pairs, and if possible I want to avoid using eval. You can use the for in loop. However, you also have to make sure that the key you get is an actual property of an object, and doesn't come from the prototype. Here is the snippet. For of with object keys alternative. Notice the use of for of instead of for in. If not used, it will return undefined unnamed properties, and object keys ensures the use of only the object's own properties without the whole prototype chain properties. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.